Jessica. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are on day 6 of our holiday recipes. We're in the side dish category. If you haven't seen yesterday's video and all the videos on the appetizers, go check them out. I'll have them linked and they're really good. You don't want to miss them. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious roasted broccoli and cauliflower with a tahini basil sauce. Kind of like a pesto, but not entirely, so I didn't want to call it that. And I wanted to give you guys a really good and flavorful holiday vegetable recipe. I know veggies aren't like the most fun during the holiday season, but they are important. We got to eat them, and this is a really delicious way to enjoy them. I tried to make it look really festive, adding some pomegranates on top, and it just looks really pretty and it tastes really good. So that's the most important part. And yeah, I think you'll all really enjoy it. As always, the full written out recipe is on my blog. Link in the description box down below for that. The ingredients are written out in the description box down below, and anything that I think you may need for this recipe, I've linked it down below in the description box as well. So please check it out right down there. That's where everything is that you gotta know. And yeah, if you're liking the series, if you're having fun while watching it, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, engage with these videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it and how much it really helps. So if you need a holiday gift idea, be sure to check out my cookbook, Plantiful. Makes a great gift or great, gift for yourself, whoever. And yeah, I will see you tomorrow with another recipe, and let's get into this one. The first thing we are doing is preparing our broccoli. So I have one broccoli crown here. I just cut off the little bit of the end that was dry. I am breaking it up into florets with my hands, and I'm just gonna put it to the side for a second. Then I have half of a head of cauliflower. I'm gonna rip those leaves off and just cut out a little bit of the stem, and then again, ripping it kind of into florets, cutting it up. I put it all in my pan, and then I could better assess that I wanted things to be more similar size. So I was just breaking them up, cutting them. I mean, it's just really to your preference. There is no right or wrong way to do this. And of course you can use any vegetables you want. I just wanted to keep it very simple. 2 vegetables that are pretty similar and look nice. So I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on there, and then we're just gonna season it with some garlic powder and a little bit of salt and red pepper flakes. I like that little kick in there. If you don't like spicy, don't do it. And then just simply toss it and mix it with clean hands, okay? Make sure your hands are clean, and if you feel so inclined, you can put on a pair of gloves. I was the only one eating this, so I wasn't super worried about it. We're gonna roast this for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then in the meantime, I'm gonna make our dressing. So we're combining some spinach, basil, the tahini. Make sure you have a nice runny tahini, some salt and garlic powder, and a little bit of water. I did about a tablespoon. You can add in more if you need, and we're just going to blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Our veggies are done. They look beautiful and perfect. You can roast them to your preference. Then I'm just gonna drizzle that dressing right on top, which was so delicious. And then I'm gonna garnish with some microgreens. I put a little basil on there too, and then the pomegranate seeds, which I just love. I think they just add a little fanciness. They look so beautiful for the holidays. And I think this is a really pretty looking side dish. It's really tasty. It's really delicious. And I really wanted to make a vegetable dish that wasn't very hard to make, wasn't very complicated, because we don't want to spend too much time on our side dishes, and looks really nice. And I think this looks beautiful on a table. So I think it is a perfect side dish.